With the big players like Google and Facebook, where they have all the data with them, do they have an advantage in this field?
Yes, they have a huge advantage, right? So this is something not to forget about. So even if we can all build the same powerful AI algorithm, at home using Google technology or something like that, we will not have the data that Google has and that Facebook has. So yes, they have an unfair advantage because this data should be ours, but it's theirs, right? They're not paying us for it. Somehow they own it because they created the system or something like that. And therefore they have a huge advantage because they can train their systems on massive amount of data that we provide. And they don't have to tell us anything about these algorithms, how they work. They don't have to give us pre-trained systems like that and that we can build on. No, that's, basically sometimes in transfer learning, there is this case where Google will, for example, train an algorithm and then they will make it publicly available. That I think is okay. That is good, right? So if you make the algorithm, so if you have the data and you're monopoly you have a monopoly on the data like Google does, and you train an algorithm and then you make the trained algorithm available to people to actually modify it to allow for what is known as transfer learning. That is a really great approach to make that part more democratic, to make the data also useful for more people. But that is actually a pretty bad problem. This fact that a very few players have most of the data. Actually, Jaron Lanier speaks about this extremely intelligently. Recommend his videos on that.